I do cooking classes, those are all either in
Mm,
my home, in your home, in a specialty kitchen, just depending upon the setup and what the individual wants or the group wants. I do cooking classes, and then I also do very elaborate charcuterie displays. So I can do
I love it.
primarily, yeah, those are really my thing.
I love it.
The
That's
beauty
amazing.
in creating them and all of that is what really speaks to me in my heart. And I can incorporate both uh, creating something beautiful along with creating beautiful food.